Welcome to BOVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man. Today we're going to take a look at the components of a kneeling system on a Dodge Grand Caravan with the Brownability fold-out or in the floor modification. First, we'll have the actuator itself. A way you can test this to see if it's shorted out, you can add direct power directly to the actuator itself. If when connecting both positive and negative you have arcing, that is going to confirm that there is a shorted out motor. If you have the kneeling system running, however, it's getting either to the all the way up or all the way down. Underneath this cover is both the down limit as well as the up limit. I have seen these before where these switches will actually fail themselves, and at either the up or the down you'll have that actuator ratcheting extremely loud. Eventually it will time out. Braun does have a control module that's going to be sending the power for the kneeling system. Underneath the third row seat, there's your fuse block. You can see there is the 25 amp fuse for that specific feature. As we trace this through, we'll notice that the power for this kneeling is actually routed up through the override switch. I tested the switch, I have the power going to it. The power going to the actuator actually comes out of that switch down to this connector. I tested this, still got 12 volts going to it, validating that the previous actuator was getting full power. I removed the cover. At that point, took the actuator out. Pretty simple, it's just taking off the link up front for the chain itself, and then at the back there's that slot where this pin actually just goes up and in. This is the new one. I took the old one out. I put direct power to it. I use insulated connectors so that it's pretty straightforward, not worrying about doing any welding. I had absolutely no activation out of the motor. Took something, tapped on the motor, started firing up, confirming that there was a dead spot within this actuator. If your actuator is not firing, first you want to check to confirm the fuse is not blown. From there you can go and confirm that you have power coming to your switch, 12 volts coming out of the switch down to your actuator. If you got all the power going to it, it's likely that the actuator itself has failed. In the event that your actuator is working, however, at the full up or full down stroke, you're hearing it's just continuing to run, making a loud ratchet. At that point, it's very likely that one of the switches for both the down and the up has failed. In the description, I have a link to BOVD.com where you can find a dealer closest to you. If you're attempting to repair yours and want to leave a question or a comment below, please do. BOVD.com.